Miss Judy from the South Fayette Township Library. I'm here with another great STEAM challenge. Now I know apples are delicious to eat, but did you know with this fun challenge we can make apples into wrecking balls? So a wrecking ball is something that usually takes down a building or a wall. Today we're making an apple wrecking ball that's going to annihilate markers. Yes! So your challenge today using the engineering design process is, can you design some kind of contraption that will hold an apple up, that will allow it to knock down markers or water bottles? It sounds easy, but it's rather challenging. I was trying to think of how I wanted to do my design. So first you're going to imagine. I think I first imagined a design like the wrecking ball machine. So I tried to do it this way. I had a lot of challenges keeping this to work. Then I was imagining something like this. Well, that was a lot of challenges as well. So please feel free to design and imagine what you want your apple annihilator to look like. Then maybe you want to sketch it and then create it. Now, I'd like you to use things that you find around the house, recycled materials, and gather them up. And then what I would like you to do is create it. Now there are some criteria to this. You may not puncture. There's some constraints. You may not puncture or any way damage the apple while you're making the wrecking ball. Try to think of some ways that you can make the wrecking ball, the apple, stay on your string or your yarn. Also, I'd like you to set up your bowling pins, your markers, at least 2 inches away from where the apple is hanging down. So you need to measure 2 inches. This is a super fun challenge. After you create it, then you test. Did it knock the markers down? You can have fun and try to challenge yourself to only knock down certain markers, or challenge yourself to make sure you knock all the markers down, the bowling pins, whatever you use. You can actually add more than I had. If your design didn't work, and guess what? Mine did not work. You have to improve to make it better. Once you improve to make it better, then you retest. Did it knock down your bowling pins? This was a super fun challenge. I hope you enjoy doing this. If anybody comes up with a super creative idea using the recycled materials and your engineering design process to create it, your apple wrecking ball, I would love to see it at the library. I hope you enjoy and have a great day.